Hello guys, this is George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video I want to show you guys how to buy UFO Gaming Token step by step. So first of all, I want to mention that this is not financial advice and I'm not financial advisor. So before you make the decision to buy this coin, please do a research. Now guys, we can go to CoinMarketCap. Click the search bar and type UFO Gaming. Open this token. You can see the charts, you can see the analytics here, and this will help you in making your decision. And now guys, you need to have Trustwallet on your mobile phone. If you don't have it, just download it from Google Play or App Store for free, and after you download, then go through verification. After you will have Trustwallet, you can open it. And now guys, you need to buy Ethereum, because to buy UFO Gaming you need to swap your Ethereum to it. So first of all guys, go to Ethereum, buy it on Trustwallet, or you can just receive it from any other crypto markets. Just copy this wallet address and send Ethereum to your Trustwallet account. After you will have Ethereum on your Trustwallet, go back to CoinMarketCap. Copy this contract address which is here, click this copy icon and go back to Trustwallet again. Now go to settings, paste the contract address we copied a few seconds ago and enable this token. You can see that this token is appeared in your Trustwallet, and now you need to go to the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Uniswap. Select the token, paste the contract address and click import. Guys. Now guys, you need to click this setting icon here, and first try to set slippage tolerance 12%, and if it doesn't work you can increase it by 1% until it works. So you can start with 12%. Now guys, you need to set the amount of UFO Gaming Token you want to buy and then swap your Ethereum to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I have another news. We have a new Telegram channel. Here will be some discussions about my videos and cryptos. I'll introduce you on my YouTube channel, so you can join our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching.